Hello friends, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and today we will discuss on a viral problem which has occurred. This question may seem easy but it is very difficult. How? Let's read the question. 5 plus 5 divided by 5 plus 5. How can we solve? How we can solve this question? There are two methods, but the correct method is the first one. The second method, which we will, if we will implement on it, we will get the wrong answer. So let's go ahead. So according to the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule, we will solve according to the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. So the PEMDAS and BODMAS, these are two words. What this stands for: P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. BODMAS stands for B for bracket, O for operation, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So according to the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule, we will try to solve this question. How we will solve it? Let's go ahead. Firstly, multiplication and division. There is division, so first we will solve division. So 5 will be written as it is, plus 5 divided by 5 will give you 1, plus 5 will be written as it is. So our first step is done. 5 will be written as it is, so which part we are solving, we will try to solve only that part will be solved. So 5 plus 1 plus 5. What is 5 plus 1 plus 5? 5 plus 1 6 plus 5, and the final answer will be 11. This is how we will solve. So coming on to the next method, which is a wrong method, in which many people ignore PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. They ignore it, and firstly they solve 5 plus 5, which they get 10, and 5 plus 5, which they get 10, and 10 divided by 10, which they will get 0. So this is how, and mostly many people solve 5 plus 5 10, and 10 divided by 5 will they get 2, and 2 plus 5 will get 7. So this is a wrong method. So this is which I have done. This method it is correct method, so you can follow this type of method. Another question which I am giving for you for more practice is similar type of question, but 6 minus 6 multiplied by 6 plus 6. So this question is for your practice. This question is for your practice, so I hope that you will do the practice question in your home, and if you feel any query, so you can reach in the comment and comment your query, so I will reply you. So I hope that you have understand today's class, and be updated for more minor problems and those questions which are very tricky and are confusing many people. So be updated, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and be updated. Thank you.